In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save courses on Coursera. Now, while Coursera doesn't offer a built-in wish list or a save for later option, don't worry because there are several easy ways to keep track of the courses you're interested in without missing a beat. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Coursera account. Once you're logged in, you can browse through their vast catalog to find a course that piques your interest. One straightforward method to save a course is to copy the course's link. When you find a course you like, navigate to the course page and simply copy the URL from your browser's address bar. You can then paste this link into a Notes app, a document, or wherever you typically store important links. It's an easy way to organize your courses according to your personal preferences and keep them handy for later reference. Another method that's particularly useful involves utilizing your browser's bookmarking feature. If you're using Google Chrome, for instance, you can quickly bookmark a course page by hitting Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Once you do this, a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to rename the bookmark and decide where you'd like to save it. For quick access, consider adding it to your bookmarks bar. Alternatively, to maintain a more organized collection, place it under Other Bookmarks. This way, with just a few clicks, you can easily access the saved course whenever you open a new tab and explore your bookmarks. Now, if you prefer to keep your saved courses directly within Coursera, there's another approach that might suit you well. While not exactly a save function, you can enroll in the course as a way to hold on to it. Simply click on Enroll for Free and then select Continue. Once you're officially enrolled, the course will automatically appear in your My Learning section. This makes it incredibly convenient to find and access the course whenever you're ready to dive into learning. And that's all there is to it. Whether you choose to use bookmarks, notes, or enrollment, these methods offer simple solutions to keep track of your favorite Coursera courses without hassle. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can catch more helpful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy learning on Coursera.